So, you guys, let's go out and
Tap a tree.
show how to tap a tree.
Donnie's the expert on that.
And grab the drill and the hammer.
The hammer is
So
right
you can
here.
carry the drill.
No, give the drill to Tony. He's much more safe with it than you. Okay? Little silly. Hand her the hammer. Okay, don't hit yourself in the head with the hammer. I
Donnie,
know.
be careful with the drill.
Yeah. So, and who's got the taps? You got taps? Okay. Mom, you coming too?
I'm going to
Grab the buckets. Oh, okay. I'll grab the buckets and we'll go find a tree.
I want my hammer.
First, in order to tap a tree, we need a tap.
What kind of tree are you tapping?
A maple tree.
How come? How come you don't tap an oak tree?
Because oak trees don't carry sap. Well, they might, but unless you want oak syrup.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
It'd be yucky sap.
So, show us how you tap a tree.
I've tried oak sap before. It's gross.
Well, first you drill a hole. Okay. Then you put that in and stop. Hold this.
Be careful where you aim it.
You like that?
Wow, that's gusher.
And there, get the
Any
bucket.
syrup coming out of it?
Yep.
Yep. Well, not syrup, but sap. And hold this. There's already sap coming out of it. And we put the bucket on to keep all the dirt out of it. Hooray, hooray.
It looks like a house.
Hold this.
But you can't live in it. It's for the syrup.
Nope. Okay, she put it on right.
This camera's waterproof, right? It's starting to rain again. Oh. No, not till we...
Okay. You want me to do it, Tony? Here, Alexa, you take over here. Did you do both buckets?
Yep.
You did?
Yeah, we did.
Uh-oh, it is raining. Good. That is the bucket right there. Oh. Everything goes into that bucket. Oh. 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 Do 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 do.
See this red button here?
I
You
am
hit
walking over to the next bucket. Why? Because there's more sap, and we need sap to make syrup. I think the see Dad is coming.
Ah! Looks dead, but it's not as it looks like a big tree.
Did you get that one?
I don't know, it was focused on you. Uh-oh, we have a crucial
Dad,
accident.
I need help.
Okay.
When you need help, who is here? Not Alexa. So she has problems. No. National Geographic has been on these two people. They are awesome
Okay.
at making people syrup.
We're gonna go to the next area.
Okay,
You shut it off.
okay. This is Tony from National Geographic in and
Now put that on the front.
here they come
That's come off now.
around this tree. Oh my god. This is Alexa, devastated. Yeah!
I'm getting firewood. I'm getting wood for the... Hi guys.
Hello.
How you doing, Norma?
Pretty good, feeling the fire.
How's the sap coming?
Oh, coming up pretty good.
What? What?
No,
But
it's
the
not.
camera was dead.
Dead? Who's dead?
You look like you're dead. Okay.
I was
How about you? How you doing?
I think I'm dead.
Hi. Hey, what do you got in that container over there?
Nothing. Done.
How about in that
No.
plastic container?
Candies. Candies.
No.
Lollipops.
There's one.
Candies.
That's
Lollipops.
Place it back in the box, please.
They're maple.
Part of the
Maple
good nutritious
lollipop.
breakfast.
They're
Oh,
maple
yeah.
lollipops.
yeah. Okay, silly.
Look at there.
Did your mom say, God?
Have you guys been feeding this fire?
No, the dog has been feeding the fire.
Hey, what you guys doing?
We're making maple syrup. Thing.
You make a maple syrup. How exactly do you do this?
Well, there's sap, and it comes into the evaporator, and
It comes through those tubes and into the evaporator. We boil it down until it's thick enough, and then it turns into syrup. And then we put it in this thingy, and we filter all the yucky stuff out. When it says 108 degrees or 180, I forget which, you turn this thingy on, you pour it, and then it's syrup.
Hi.
Why don't you show us the different parts of the evaporator, Tony?
Well, this every 10 minutes we have to feed the fire, so that's how we boil it, and we usually open this with a stick so we don't burn ourselves, obviously. And Then there's 3 slots in here. The sap goes through here, and this is where it's really thin, right in this slot. And then it goes through. There's a hole down there, and then it goes through the second slot, and then there's a hole on that side. And when it's really thick, it'll be in that slot.
And it's hot.
Yeah. And
If you put your hand above it, you can feel the vapor. Anyone want to feel how moistury my hand is?
So, what exactly are you trying to do when you're boiling the syrup?
we're trying to
Make maple syrup.
we're trying to evaporate like most of the water, so it gets it like has this very sweet taste as if you tried syrup before, which you probably did. Yeah. And so
We try boiling down all the water so it's thick enough, and then we put it in this thing, and when it says 108 or 180 degrees, we put it in the bottle, and then we use maple syrup.
What's this thermometer for on the side, Alexa?
When it says 7 degrees, it's syrup.
let me explain it better. 0 is supposed to be the boiling point of water, and so that's not hot enough to make a maple syrup. So when it's 7 degrees above the boiling point of water, then you know it's ready to test it and to turn it into maple syrup, which there's a whole other process.
So what other tests you have to do to make sure there's syrup?
Well, there's this test cup thing, and this is a hydrometer, and you pour maple syrup in this, and here's a brick chart, and I'll tell you what that's for in a moment. And you put the hydrometer into the maple syrup, and right about here is, I think, yeah, right about here is where it should be to make the maple syrup. And on this brick chart, at 209, that is about the temperature you need to turn into syrup.
It's got to be 59 on the bricks chart.
Yeah.
So in other words, that hydrometer's got to float in the syrup.
Yep.
And that shows it's thick enough.
And when you see the red line, that means that, yeah.
So then it's ready to bottle.
Yep.
So what do? Just pour it in the bottles, or?
No, when it's ready to bottle, you pour it in a
You have to filter it.
Yeah, you have to filter it. And when it's thick enough, you pour it through the filter and then bottle it.
So you have to filter it and bottle it.
Yep.
Alexa, can you show us the filter machine? So you gonna show us the filter tank?
Yes. This is the Filter Tank 2002. I filter syrup. Hey, you pour it in the wool thing from the sheep, and then it goes down. It filters all the yucky stuff. And then when it says 180 degrees, the syrup is ready. And then you use this thingy. You take this thingy, this bottle, and go like that. And then the syrup goes inside. And when it fills up, you pour it on pancakes, and you're done.
Thank you. Read what the different grades are.
There is Vermont Fancy, Medium Amber, Dark Amber, or Vermont Grade B.
Well, we're making Massachusetts syrup, so the Vermont part really doesn't apply. So basically, the lighter it is, the fancier grade it is. This is fancy.
The darker it is.
Fancy, medium amber, dark amber,
Vermont.
and dark grade B. And what we do is we got an empty container right here.
You put it with syrup, and then you kind of compare it and figure out what you
Sure.
have.
To tell what
Or
grade
sometimes it might be in the middle, so
the
you just
syrup
stick
that
it
we're
in
doing.
between.
You don't want to grab this thing with your hand because it gets really hot. It's not up hot enough to bottle yet, but we can test the grade. Ooh, this is light.
So it would be fancy.
Oh this is definitely fancy. This is a nice light, fancy. Hold it
Well,
up
as
to the
you
light.
can see, it is actually lighter than that.
That's about the same. Hold it up to the light, and you can see it's definitely fancy. So we got some nice light syrup here when we bottle it. Like I said before, we can't bottle it until it's up to 180 degrees. Hey. Oh yeah. Screw the top on. You got a safety seal so you can tell if anybody tampered with it. Screw on. Just tight as you can get it, Alexa. That's grade A fancy when you put a label on it.
This is all light amber. It's all light amber. This is medium amber. I don't think we have any labels for that.
No, this is it. This is right. It just came on
I
roll.
thought it was fancy.
Same thing.
Oh.
Light amber. Light amber.